And this may be a double porta potty review here. This is part of the Raleigh Greenway trail that's been closed. They're putting in this overhead walkway, which will be interesting to see where that goes. 2 porta potties. So we're going to do the right thing here and climb over the fence. Nobody's coming. See if we can give these a quick review. Okay, wasn't sure what I stepped over there. Alright, here we go. We got doubles here, reliable on-site services. Let's see what they look like here. Doing construction here. And that is the extension of a Greenway trail here bridge. Looks like it's going to go over there. Let's go in here. Keep an eye on my bike over there. Oh, this looks and smells pretty good. It's our urinal, vent pipe, definitely been used, no flies, thank goodness. And 2 rolls of toilet paper in here, hand sanitizer. This actually looks really nice. I don't see any last clean date. Come out here and look at the other one. This one's actually really good. On the bike. And here's number 2 here. And this one's the same condition. Doesn't smell bad at all. There's our vent pipe, urinal. Almost 2 rolls of toilet paper. Oh gosh, I'm afraid to open these after flies recently, but no flies. Isn't that nice? Gosh, both of these are very clean. Kind of conscious about where my bike is. Reliable on-site services. I have to get both of these a high thumbs up. Taking really good care of these as part of the city work here. Of this extension of this trail, which will be interesting to see where it will go. Thanks so much for watching.